Class 11 NCERT Math Chapter 2 Relations and Functions Exercise 2.2 we will learn in this video. First let us see the definition. A relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B. The subset derived by describing a relation between the first element and the second element of the ordered pairs A cross B. The second element is called the image of the first element. So whenever we will find out A cross B, out of the total elements we will derive some elements set, and that is called relation R from set A to set B, where second element we will take from B. It is called image of a first element which is taken from set A. Let us see the second definition. The set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in a relation R from a set A to set B is called the domain of the relation R. So what is domain? So first set A taken, then set A is called domain for relation R. Definition 4. The set of all second elements in a relation R from set A to set B is called the range of the relation R. So here first we have learned domain. So in A cross B, whatever we will take in A, that is called domain, and the set B is called range of the relation R. The whole set B is called codomain of the relation R. The range must be subset or equal to codomain. So it is not necessary that every time set B is a range. There might be possible that some of the elements will be there in a range. Now important note, if number of A equal to P, number of B equal to Q, hence number of A cross B equal to PQ, then number of relations from A to B is 2 raised to PQ. So these questions can be asked in MCQ form. If number of A equal to 3, number of B equal to 4, then how many relations from A to B we can get? So 3 4s are 12. So 2 raised to 12 relations can be obtained from A to B. Let us see exercise number 2.2. Question 1. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Define a relation R from A to A by R equal to order pair xy such that 3x minus y equal to 0 where xy belongs to A. Write down its domain, codomain and the range. Here R must be subset or equal to A cross A, but R equal to order pair xy such that 3x minus y equal to 0 where xy belongs to A. So first A is a domain and second A is a codomain. To find out range, we have to find out all possible values of y, but it is given that 3x minus y equal to 0. So y equal to 3x. So x equal to 1 if we keep, then we will get y equal to 3. By keeping x equal to 2, we can get y equal to 6. By keeping x equal to 3, we can get y equal to 9. By keeping x equal to 4, we can get y equal to 12. By keeping x equal to 5, we can get y equal to 15. But 15 does not belong to A. So we cannot take 15 as our answer. We have to take answer 3, 6, 9, 12. So these answers are called range. So range equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. Let us see question number 2. Define a relation R on the set N of natural number by R equal to order pair xy such that y equal to x plus 5, x is a natural number less than 4, xy belongs to N. Depict the relationship using roster form. Write down the domain and the range. It is given that y equal to x plus 5, x is a natural number less than 4, xy belongs to N. Therefore x equal to 1, 2, 3. Because less than 4, natural numbers are 1, 2, 3. Hence domain equal to 1, 2, 3. To find out range, let us find out all possible values of y. Y equal to x plus 5. x equal to 1, then y equal to 6, x equal to 2, then y equal to 7, x equal to 3, then y equal to 8. Hence range equal to 6, 7, 8. And in roster form answer is order pair 1, 6, order pair 2, 7, order pair 3, 8. We will write in set notation. So it is called roster form answer. Let us see question number 3rd. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, B equal to 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B by R equal to XY such that the difference between X and Y is odd, where X belongs to A, Y belongs to B. Write R in the roster form. I will write down A cross B. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, B equal to 4, 6, 9. So A cross B will be 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 9, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 9, 3, 4, 3, 6, 3, 9, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 9. Let us write down difference for each order pair. For first order pair, 1, 4, difference is 3. For second order pair, difference is 5. Third order pair, difference is 8. Then difference is 2. Then difference is 4. And for 2, 9, difference is 7. So for each order pair, I have noted down the difference. 3, 4, difference is 1. 3, 6, difference is 3. 3, 9, difference is 6. 5, 4, difference is 1. 5, 6, difference is 1. And 5, 9, difference is 4. We have to consider odd difference. So we will cancel even difference and related order pairs. So let us do the cancellation of even difference. I have cancelled difference 8 to 4 and related order pair in a first row, third, 4, 5 order pair, and difference 6 and 4 and the related order pair I have cancelled. So remaining order pairs are our answers. So let us see the answer. So remaining order pairs 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 9, 3, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4, 5, 6. So these are our order pairs for answer in roster form. Question 4. The figure shows a relationship between the sets P and Q. Write the relation in set builder form, in roster form, what is its domain and range. So here in this figure, relation from P to Q is given, and P 5, 6, 7 and Q 3, 4, 5, 5 to 3, 6 to 4 and 7 to 5 relations I have shown. So in set builder form, x equal to 5, 6, 7, y equal to 3, 4, 5. So if you get 3, then it will be 5 minus 2. If you want to get 4, then it will be 6 minus 2. And if you want to get 5 answer, then it is 7 minus 2. Hence y equal to x minus 2. Because members in Q, we will say y, and member in P, we will say x. Then R equal to order pair xy such that y equal to x minus 2, where x equal to 5, 6, 7. In roster form, R equal to 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, and domain of R, first member 5, 6, 7 in domain, and range of R, the second number 3, 4, 5, it is in a range. Let us see question number 5. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let R be the relation on A defined by order pair AB such that AB belongs to A. B is exactly divisible by A. Write R in a roster form. Find the domain of R. Find the range of R. Here it is written that B is exactly divisible by A. Hence A must be less than or equal to B. Possible order pairs will be, we will write down A equal to B and equal to B type order pairs. Then it will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6. Then 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 6. 3, 3, 3, 4, 6. 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 6. These are possible order pairs. Now, out of this order pair, 1 divisible by 1, 2 divisible by 1, 3 divisible by 1, 4 divisible by 1, 6 divisible by 1, 2 divisible by 2, 3 is not divisible by 2. So this order pair 2, 3 will not be our answer. 4 divisible by 2, so it is there in answer. 6 divisible by 2, so it is there in answer. 3, 3 is there, but 3, 4. 4 is not divisible by 3, so it is not there in our answer. 3, 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so it is there in our answer. 4, 4 is there, but 4, 6 will not be there because 6 is not divisible by 4. So let us see which are our answers. Are in a roster form are equal to order pairs 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 3, 3, 3, 6, 4, 4, 6, 6. These are the answers. Now find the domain of R. First member 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. It is there in a domain. Now what will be the range? Find the range of R. So second member 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. It is there in a range. So range of R equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So with this we have completed 5 problems. Note down in your notebook.